Hello, my friend. I'm Charlene. I'm a CFA charter holder with a decade of experience in finance across Asia and Europe. I've also got experience of working in some big financial firms like JPMorgan. I believe finance is not only for rich, old, white guys. Finance is for everyone. Wall Street makes finance so complicated, and I'm here to simplify finance and share money tips. I started my career as a banking journalist in Hong Kong, investigating how multimillionaires and billionaires invest. After that, I joined JPMorgan, serving private bank clients. Later on, I joined a wealth management technology firm situated right in the Global Wealth Management Center, Zurich, Switzerland. My job was all about making the rich even richer, and I increasingly felt in my gut, it's time for a change. That's why I started this channel with the mission to empower everyday people to work towards financial independence and freedom and feel confident about your finance. I genuinely wanted to invite you to join me on this journey. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my YouTube videos.